Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's October 14th, 2025. It's around 9 a.m. It's about 39 degrees. Last night it froze. Still frost on the hood of the tractor. My golf cart will not start. So that's not good. I'll be walking today. Still don't have the irrigation button up yet. We're gonna work on that today, hopefully, if Charlie has time. We gotta fill the hole up with dirt around the valves with the pipes coming up, and put gravel around the bottom of the freeze valve. So there's some work to be done. I don't think it's gonna be as cold the next few mornings by the weather forecast, but it's getting that time of year. I'll walk down here and feed these animals. Chicken's got 1 foot up. My ground must be cold, huh? A little bit frozen. Yeah, doesn't that look cold? Harold laying in his hay. He could lay in his house, but he filled it up with hay. Yeah, the 7-Eleven chickens are hungry. Followed me to the barn. My Spaz came over too. Come on, Spaz, let's go get some mice. And Doodle waiting for mice. Really haven't had a mice problem this year yet. The winter's just now here. Well, they're all fed. I still gotta go turn the water on up on top. Down there and top off their dishes. Yeah, I'm not really ready for winter. I'm gonna bring summer back. I had to shut this valve off here at the end of the hose so I can turn the valve up there on when I'm not flooding stuff. Since I'm walking up and down the hill. Yep, that's what's happening this morning. Our first frost. Yeah, I get the valve open here. And it's blocked down there, but it's causing the water to leak out. This valve really needs to be rebuilt. Anyway, I gotta get back down there, water. So, I'll catch you later.